The company was founded in 2013 to exploit jellyfish as a next generation collagen source. We decided that jellyfish was a very exciting new source because of the evolutionary ancient source of this collagen. Like, jellyfish have been around 600 million years, and therefore that collagen was evolved to do certain things which we think we can adapt to and give us advantages in today's search for new medical innovations in regenerative medicine. The company then decided to maintain its facilities in Pembrokeshire for that purpose, but as the company grew, we needed to think about employment, need to think about facilities, need to think about manufacturing. That all meant that Cardiff, for me, was the most logical next step. So when we found this facility here at Wentloog, it was great. You know, the price per square foot was fantastic. The rates were reasonably good. Everything about the place was a blank canvas. So we very much thought, well, okay, we got to now build a manufacturing, build a clean room, get the offices up and running, build a small lab, quality control lab, and that went very well, very smooth. And then after a year being here, next door came up for rent, and having just secured quite a large investment round in March this year, we felt that actually building for success and planning for success, it made sense to take that facility now, because what we didn't want to do was, if things went really well for us, and I'm sure they will, and it's then finding where do we move to. So this then gives us more time to embed the business and build the company without having too much disruption to what we're doing on a daily basis. I think there's a fantastic opportunity for life science in Wales. I think you've got some great universities doing some brilliant science in the life science space. So I think on a academic level within the university sector, I think that there is a huge opportunity that Wales should be very proud of.